Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Sunbeam heating pad flashing red light, full error reset and troubleshooting guide. Fix 1 is reset the heating pad. Unplug the heating pad from the wall outlet, then disconnect the controller from the heating pad if it can be removed. Then wait 30 to 60 seconds. Reconnect the controller firmly. Then plug the heating pad back in and turn it on. Second one is check the controller connection. Turn off the heating pad and unplug it, then check that the controller plug is fully connected to the pad. Push the connector in until it's secure. Plug the heating pad back in and test it. Third one is inspect the power cord. Unplug the heating pad, then look for cut, frayed wires or bent connector. If the cord is damaged, stop using the heating pad. Replace the heating pad or contact Sunbeam support. Fourth one is let the heating pad cool down. Turn off the heating pad, then unplug it from the outlet. Let it cool for 15 to 30 minutes. Plug it back in and test it again. Thanks for watching.